Okay. Yeah, can we get some sickos in the chat? You guys like to watch people eat dog treats, don't you? Don't you? All right, here we go. Okay, I am gonna crunch just for proof that I am eating this. I understand some people do not like hearing crunching, chewing noises. I will not chew into the mic, but I am gonna crunch into it as proof that I'm eating it, okay? So just a warning in case you want to mute, but you can still watch, of course. Okay, here we go. We're gonna crunch, here we go. It's good. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna drink. Here's my cherry rogue. I did it! Okay, I'm gonna eat the whole thing though. Oh my god. I'm okay. I just need to breathe through my nose, you know what I mean? Time for bite number 2. He's confused why you're taking his treats. Yeah, I know. Oh, dip it in the rogue? Oh, okay. I'll take your advice on that, Zen. Okay, here we go. Did you guys see that? Okay, bite number 2. Here we go. Crunch time. Oh. This is for you, Tofu. Oh my god. We're gonna submerge it in there. He's like, what are you doing? That's for me. he looks kind of upset. He's confused. Go piss, girl. I thought those were mine. He's so patient. Yeah. He's so patient. Tofu. We love it, a tofu. Okay. Okay, crunch number 3. There we go. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna try to finish off the last bit of it. This is all I have left. Look how patient Tofu is. He thinks it's for him. Oh man, I'm glad he likes them. I'm gonna dip mine in more rogue actually. You got this, Tiger. Oh, there's crumbs in my rogue. There's crumbs in the rogue. My last bites, okay. Okay, crunch number 4. Here we go. There we go. All right, last bite of the dog treat. All right, our last crunch. Here we go. Oh, it's a lot less crunchy. Dipping in the rogue. Think fluffy clouds. The last bite's kind of big. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry for my my gagging. That's probably like the worst thing to hear. Like much worse than chewing, I imagine. 1 to 10, how is it? Okay, let me take a sip first.